what is all this? What is all this stuff? What is this spam? What is this? Are these bots? Jeff, do you know what all this nonsense is? Should I cut the stream because I don't want to be... What the hell is this stuff, man? Who is doing this? I don't need no bots here. Should I...
No. Okay.
I'm gonna restart this. I don't like this at all. What the hell? 1 hour follow mode? Yeah. Good call, good call. Fen, can you put it in 1 hour follow mode or something like that? How do we do that? It's already like that. Followers only 1 hour. What the hell then? Oh, okay. Oh my god, what the heck? Man, what the hell was that stuff? I hope I don't get in trouble with Twitch because of this. You guys don't need to go banning one by one. That's too much work. So don't... that's gonna be too much work banning one by one. Just... Alright, cool. Well, that's weird. That's the first time that happened here. You just target some random channel? Is that what it is? I'll see later how many got added. That's weird. Oh well. For a second I thought Gwen just trolled me even harder. I think this stopped because I don't see them following channels anymore on my activity feed. So I think it stopped.